Hi, good evening, and welcome to Poem Praise 2. Peace and blessings be upon you and your family this evening. Now we're getting into African American poetry. Our next poet is Alice Walker during the time period of 1944 until. Now, the title of this poem is The Nature of This Flower is to Bloom. The meaning of some words that are going to appear in the poem is elemental crush, rocks and soil, for example. Revolutionary, in this case, fighting for recognition. Here is the picture, right here. And it reads as such. Just going to give you some preview information before we go into the poem, all right? Now, born in a small town in Georgia, Walker attended school first at Spelman College in Atlanta, and then at Sarah Lawrence College near New York City. As a young woman in the age of the civil rights and Black Power movements of the 1960s, she threw herself into a variety of activities that reflected her passionate commitment to the cause of social justice, and perhaps especially to the rights of African American women. Her rising reputation as a writer probably reached its peak in 1982 with the publication of her novel, The Color Purple, which won a Pulitzer Prize. However, Walker was also from the start a dedicated poet who avoided stark confrontational language in favor of a more subtle approach. The speaker in this poem writes in praise of a common but colorful and independent garden flower, a petunia, that in her mind knows that it is special and valuable. And it goes like this: rebellious living against the elemental crush, a song of color, blooming for deserving eyes, blooming gloriously for its self. Revolutionary petunia. And that does complete. The nature of this flower is to bloom. And I'll just have that flower come all the way up for the picture for this poem. Be well, take care, and it beeth thy will. I'll speak with thee soon, here on Poem Praise 2. Our next poem is going to be Winter Poem. And I'm looking. Yeah, we almost through this book, y'all. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 poems to go, and we will have completed the African American poetry. So stay tuned. If you like, hit the like button, share, subscribe, then you'll know when I'll be coming with another African American poetry or any of the other books that I am reading at this time, or free flow poetry, or some poems I've written myself. So, it be it thy will. I will talk with you soon here on Poem Praise 2. Till next time, later, y'all.